got dirt. Yeah, we got dirt. Not for long. Not for long. Oh, there's my oil. Ellis. Yeah, she needs a wash. It's all dirty. Yeah, just a little quick wash here. $5 worth. Here, you can look at the ceiling for a second. Hopefully when I'm done, it'll be coming out like this. Nice, shiny. There's it. There it is. And I think I saw off one of my pockets. Yep. This is going to be a quick wash here, just to get the junk off the truck. Don't forget your gloves. Don't want your hands to freeze. Oh yeah. Yep. Make all that stuff fall down. It is dirty. I think come down some just. Alright guys, well, I'll take another video in a second here. The clean truck. Alright guys, it's kind of hard to do with two hands because you got that. Those things you gotta work with, time, and well, anyways, I'll talk to you later. Bye.